Hello, it's Ruby, and today I have a really quick after-school study with me to share with you. So at 10 to 4 I decided to write up my to-do list and I used Momentum. Then I went and emptied my bin and I emailed my friend Izzy, and I basically just did some admin bits. As you can see, I was just ticking off those easier tasks on my to-do list, and then I went downstairs and had dinner. Then I actually read 10% of my book, which is Problems of Philosophy, after I ate dinner, and then I got started with work, and the first thing I did was write up these notes on Marxism and liberation theology, which was my RS homework. This actually ended up taking me quite a long time because I had to read the whole chapter. I think it took me just over an hour. But then, very satisfying, I got to tick it off my to-do list. So then I decided to watch Rhiannon's new study with me because I find it's a great way to stay motivated. And then I had some more Marxism notes to write up, so I was given this handout and I'd highlighted some of it in class, but I just went through and highlighted the rest of it and then wrote it up into my notes. Then next, I wanted to finish this pluralism Quizlet, which I had started during my lunch break at school that day. So I just made 2 Quizlets. One of them was using a kind of essay plan structure / format, and the other one was just key facts that I wanted to know. And this Quizlet was about 54 different cards. So then I've been really trying to get some exercise every day, and so I went up to do some general gymnastics and a general workout, and I was listening to this podcast on language at the same time. So after doing some general stretches, I did some sit-ups, and then I also did these really odd arm exercises which are meant to strengthen your arms. Then I did some press-ups, and then I did some general gymnastics, so cartwheels and handstands and front walkovers. And then when I went back inside, I had a shower, and then I went through my Antigone script, which is the piece that I'm doing for my grade 8 Lambda exam. And I was just going through and learning this because I've partially learned it, but not as much as I should have done, and so I just went through the piece and learnt it really. I also realised that this was perhaps not the best angle to film this from. Then the last thing that I did this evening was start this Futurelearn course on humanism, which looks really interesting and I really enjoyed going through it. So then I ticked that off my to-do list. As you can see, that I didn't actually manage to complete everything on my to-do list, but I still think it was a semi-productive evening. So thank you for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed and have a productive week.